If you've been looking for where you can download your next 3D illustrations, icons, and even models, then this tutorial is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. So you might have actually have seen some of this on Instagram carousels and posts anywhere online. Well, we are here in this first section. So the first site here is Handz.design. So this is actually a paid site, but they give you a free option which is more than 300 combination of this Handz style in the this Handz library. So in order to get this Handz library, you just scroll up to the top section, exactly at the top. I'm still at the top, and you can see download free version. But if you want to get the paid one is for $19, and you can see the option here for the free version, just this 320 PNGs of this Handz illustration, where you can see the premium version section here. So let's just download the free. Let me just show you guys how you can download the free option now. So in order to get the free trial, now that you're in the front page, all you need to do is to click on this download free version that is at the top right here. So once you've clicked on that, you just wait for it to do its work. So actually I've purchased this before, so but for yours, all you need to do is just scroll down and input $0 at this area, and then click on purchase. But let me just show you guys how you do that. So once you've clicked on purchase, the next option will be to input your email. So I'll just do this for mine. So like I said, mine was actually purchased already. So now you can see it. I think after you've inputted your email, you come to this area. So yes, that's that. You come to this area. So you can see this right now, and if I scroll down, I can see download. So you can see the size 200 MB. So once I click on that, I can get it from here. But in case yours doesn't work like this, they'll send you a mail. I think that is for the first trial. Me, this is the second trial I'm actually doing. So they'll send you a mail. You go to your mail and click on the link there, then you'll be able to download it just like that. So that is that for Handz.design. So the next site which is here is icons8.com. so this site is actually nice for 3D illustrations and models and icons as well. So I actually inputted the prompt here, which is 3D model. So when I did this was the option that came out. So all you need to do is just go down to see what you're looking for. So I'll just click on this model here. So you can see this, and actually like this, they started bringing more and more quality options. So just select anyone which you want. This actually comes with a watermark, since it's actually free and paid trial too. So but in order to download, just click on download there. You can either download it like that with the watermark and then erase it with the watermark remover, or click on download at the right here, click on download the low resolution. So you get that, then you can actually enhance it with whatever software you're using. Remini, you can check out my tutorial on screen on how to enhance images with Remini. So like I said, you can either download it with high quality and remove the watermark, or download the low quality and then enhance it. So the next site which I have here is Draw. Draw is for the same purpose. You used to download illustration as well, and before you actually download here, you can actually customize this by clicking on this color icon at the top here. Let me just zoom out back, click on that, and then move this, so you can take a look at the all the illustrations. You can see the colors are changing, so you can just do this. You just move to your own taste here. Okay with that, then you can download a particular illustration by just clicking on it, and then you can see download PNG at the down here. So just click on that and you'll be able to download it. So that is that for ondraw.com. So the next site which you should all be familiar with is FreePix. So all you need to do is to just input the prompt. So it depends on what you're looking for exactly. So once you should know, FreePix is a paid and free site. So it's simple. The way you download a FreePix, click on the image and you'll be able to download that. So you scroll down to see what you're looking for, and then you get access to that particular image. So that is that for the actually nice 3D models here, and well, this is nice. This is nice on FreePix. So let's go to the next site which you have here, which is shapefest.com. So right here on this site, you get access to massive library and 3D illustrations as well. So I'll just click on this real quick, and then I clicked on the Handz section. So you get access to 3,000 Handz. They said, yes, how they said here. So you can see them at the down here. This is it. So in order to, so you can see it here, download for free. So once you click on that, I think you need to input your email here as well. So yeah, so I think my email is already here. So once you click on continue for free, so we've sent an email to you. So I'll just go over to my email real quick and show you guys. So right here in my email, I can see the first email there. Your download link is here. So I'll click on that and then open that. So once I've opened it, okay, yeah, this is it. So I'll click on that link there and take me to this site, and you can download it with the download icon here. So I can see the size as well. You can see the size, so just do well to download that. So the next site which I have here is iconscout.com, and you can see I also inputted the prompt here. So I don't know, I think that just cancelled now, but anyways, this is the site. So you can see illustration, 3D illustrations, vector icons and stuff like that. So just click on what you're looking for. Let me just click on 3D illustration real quick. So once you've clicked on that, I think this is actually a paid site. Yeah, I think this is a paid site. So you just click on whatever piques your interest, whatever 3D illustration you're looking for. So you can see options here. So let me just go over to the top. So I clicked on one particular one, and this is the option that it brought. So like I said, this is a paid site, so you need to pay to get access to all this. So once you click on get unlimited download, you would see the paid option there, and then you'll be able to. So you can see this. Once you've paid for this, you just get access to everything here. So that's all for that. So I hope you guys try out this site to download your next 3D illustrations, icons and models, and whatever you're actually looking for. I hope you actually try out some of this site. So if you found value from this tutorial, share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.